Primary School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Wurundjeri and Bunurong people, and pay our respects to Indigenous people, past, present and emerging.
We also would like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here with us today.
We will now sing the national anthem and all demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect. When we sing the anthem with pride and stand up straight with our hands to our sides like this, or just in front like this.
When we finish singing, we sit down quietly and listen for what is coming up next.
Australians are, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil, our home is God by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts, all beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains that let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Well, good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to this week's Cranbourne East Primary School Online Assembly. My first message today is extend a really big welcome to all our students and staff. Absolutely fantastic to see everybody back at school today. Well, I also want to say a really big thank you to all our students for the outstanding effort you put into your learning over the past week and a bit. I would also like to say a really big thank you to our parents and carers who have supported our students, because we all know it's not easy doing remote flexible learning, but I just want to say a really big thank you to everybody for the work that you've put in. Well, as you know, it's the long weekend this weekend. School will be closed on Monday, and we certainly look forward to seeing everybody back at school on Tuesday. Over the long weekend, you may like to, well, certainly keep busy. You may like to do some reading, you may like to help around with some of the jobs at home, or you may like just to have some quiet time, some chill out time where you can relax and do anything, well, from watching your favourite show through to some colouring, and the list of activities goes on. But I would like to say a really big thank you to everybody. Congratulations, and great to see you all back at school. Now I'm going to hand over to our school captains who are going to share some information with us. Amelia.
Congratulations to all our students for completing online learning. We understand that it was very hard, but you completed it, so well done.
Yeah, thank you, Amelia. Anuka.
And I was really proud of all the activities that you are doing to keep healthy and safe at the same time. You guys all shared it on online assembly last week when we were all back in remote learning. And it was really great to see everybody keeping active and safe at the same time.
Thank you, Anuka. Well, that's all from us for this week's online assembly. Stay safe, take care, and we look forward to seeing you around the school. Thank you, everyone.
I've set it to be creative and use bobby pins. Not sure how it'll look, but I've decided to try it out anyway. Hope you like it. Let's see how it turned out.